Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. I hope the previous videos were very useful to you all, friends. Whatever content you all want, please write it in the comment section. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a sweater.
Who sings the song at the party?
My cousin sings.
Why do you open your book?
To read a story.
When do you water the plants?
Every morning.
Where do your parents go every Sunday?
They go to the temple.
What do you hear at night?
I hear news.
Who helps you in your studies?
My elder sister helps me.
Why do you wash your hands?
To keep them clean.
When do you check your emails?
In the morning.
Where does your mom cook food?
In the kitchen.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth.
Who brings you in school?
My father brings me in school.
Who brings you in school?
My father brings me in school.
Why do you eat slowly?
I don't want to spill the food.
Why do you eat slowly?
I don't want to spill the food.
When do you write your homework?
I write it after school.
When do you write your homework?
I write it after school.
Where do you put your school bag?
I put it near my chair.
Where do you put your school bag?
I put it near my chair.
What do you do on Sundays?
I play with my friends.
What do you do on Sundays?
I play with my friends.
Who laughs the most in class?
Jake laughs the most.
Who laughs the most in class?
Jake laughs the most.
Why do you eat slowly?
To chew well.
Why do you eat slowly?
To chew well.
When do you brush your hair?
Before going out.
When do you brush your hair?
Before going out.
Where do you read books?
In the library.
What songs do you sing?
I sing kids' songs.
What songs do you sing?
I sing kids' songs.
Who brings your books?
I bring them.
Who brings your books?
I bring them.
Why do you love your pet?
It is cute.
Why do you love your pet?
It is cute. Asking to borrow a car.
Hi, my car's in the shop. Can I borrow for a day?
Where do you need to go?
Just to work and back. I'll return by evening.
Okay, but please drive carefully.
Of course, I will also refill the gas.
That would be great. Do you need the keys now?
Yes, if that's okay.
Sure, just make sure park it carefully.
I will. Thanks so much for helping me out.
No problem. Let me know when you are back. Asking a teacher for extra help.
Excuse me, could you help me to understand today's lesson?
Of course, which part is confusing?
Last topic about chemical reactions.
All right, let's go over it again.
Thank you. I could not follow everything in class.
No problem. Do you have your notes?
Yes, but they are a little messy.
Let's organize them step by step.
That would really help.
Take your time and feel free to ask any questions.
Hi, my sink is leaking. Can you help me fix it?
Sure. When did it start leaking?
Just this morning. I don't know what's wrong.
Let me take a look. Do you have any tool?
Yes, I have a wrench and some tape.
That should work. Let me try tightening the pipe.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Don't worry, it looks like a small leak.
Do you think it will hold?
Yes, but is it leaks again? Call a plumber. Asking for help carrying groceries.
Hi, can you help me carry these grocery bags?
Of course. Wow, you bought a lot.
Yeah, I might have overdone it.
No problem. Where do you want these?
Just inside the kitchen.
All right. Do you need help putting them away?
That would be amazing.
Okay. I will sort the vegetables first.
Thanks. You are a lifesaver.
No problem. Glad to help. Borrowing a book.
Hi, can I borrow your English grammar book for a few days?
Sure, but I need it back by Monday.
No problem, I just need for review a few chapters.
Are you preparing for a test?
Yes, I have an important exam next week.
Oh, I see. Have you covered all the topics?
Not yet, that's why I need you book.
All right, just take care of it, please.
Of course, I will return it in perfect condition.
Great, let me get it from my bag. Asking for a ride to the airport.
Hi, can you give me a ride to the airport tomorrow morning?
Sure, what time is your flight?
It's at 10 a.m., so I need to be there by 8:30 a.m.
All right, I will pick you up at 7:45 a.m. Is that okay?
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase and a backpack.
That's fine. Do you need help checking in?
No, I can do that online.
Great, see you in the morning. Asking to use someone's laptop.
Hi, my laptop isn't working. Can I use yours for a bit?
What do you need it for?
I have to finish an assignment and send an email.
That's fine. Just be careful with my files.
Of course. I will only use the browser.
Do you need the charger too?
No, I will be quick. My work is almost done.
All right, let me log in for you.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
No worries. Just let me know when you are done. Asking a neighbor for help.
Hi, sorry to bother you, but could you help me move some furniture?
Sure. What do you need to move?
Just a couch and a table to the other room.
No problem. Is it heavy?
A little, but I can lift one side if you take the other.
All right. Where do you want them?
The couch goes near to the window and the table by the door.
Got it. Let's do it now.
Thank you so much. That was a big help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything else. Asking a friend to watch a pet.
Hi, I am going out of town this weekend. Can you watch my dog?
Sure. How long will you be away?
Just 2 days. I will be back Sunday morning.
No problem. But do I need to do?
Just feed him twice a day and refill his water.
Got it. Does he need any special care?
No, just play with him for a few minutes so he does not get lonely.
I can do that. Where do you keep his food?
It's in the kitchen in the green container.
All right. Have a great trip. Asking a colleague to cover a shift.
Hey, could you cover my shift on Thursday?
I might be able to. What time is your shift?
It's from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay, let me check my schedule.
I'd really appreciate it. I have family event.
Okay, I am free. I can take your shift.
That's great. Own you one.
No worries. You can cover for me next time.
Deal. Thanks again.
Anytime. Enjoy your event. Asking for help setting up technology.
Hi, I just bought a new printer. Can you help me set it up?
Did you install the software yet?
No, I am not sure how to do it.
All right, let's start with that. Do you have an installation CD?
Yes, it's right here.
Great. Let's insert it and follow the steps.
Okay, it's loading now.
Excellent. We just need to connect the printer now.
That was easier than I accepted. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else. Asking someone to take a photo?
Excuse me, could you take a picture of me and my friends?
Sure, just hand me your phone.
Here you go. Make sure everyone is in the frame.
No problem. Ready? Say cheese.
Cheese, how does it look?
It looks great. Do you want another one?
Yes, maybe from another angle.
All right, let's try one more.
This one is perfect. Thanks a lot.
You are welcome. Enjoy your day. Asking to stay at a friend's house.
Hi, my apartment is getting renovated. Can I stay at your place for a few days?
Of course. How long do you need to stay?
Just 3 nights, if that's okay.
That's fine. You can take the guest room.
Thanks. I will bring my own pillows and blanket.
No need have extras.
You are so kind. I will make sure not to be a bother.
Don't worry, just make yourself at home.
I really appreciate this.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything.
Hi, can I borrow your English grammar book for a few days?
Sure, but I need it back by Monday.
No problem, I just need for review a few chapters.
Are you preparing for a test?
Yes, I have an important exam next week.
Oh, I see. Have you covered all the topics?
Not yet, that's why I need you book.
All right, just take care of it, please.
Of course, I will return it in perfect condition.
Great, let me get it from my bag.
Hi, could you help me with my math homework?
Sure, what's the problem?
I don't know how to solve the quadratic equations.
That's tricky. Have you tried factoring?
Yes, but I get confused with the numbers.
No worries, I will show you a simple way.
That would be amazing, thank you.
Do you have your textbook with you?
Yes, here it is.
All right, let's go through an example together.
Hey, would you mind picking up my package from the post office?
No problem. Where do I need to go?
The post office on Main Street.
Do I need any documents?
Yes, here the pickup slip.
Got it. What time does the office close?
At 5 p.m., so it's best go before then.
All right, I'll go right after work.
That would be great, thank you so much.
No worries, I will drop it off at your place.
Oh no, my phone battery just died. Can I use your phone to make a quick call?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks, I will only take a minute.
No rush. Who are you calling?
My sister, she's supposed to pick me up.
Oh, I see. I hope she answers.
Me too. It's getting late.
If she doesn't pick up, let me know. I can drop you home.
That's really kind of you.
No worries. Just let me know what she says.
Hi, can you drop me off at railway station? My car won't start.
Of course. When do you need to go?
As soon as possible, my train leaves in 30 minutes.
All right. Let me grab my car keys.
Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver.
No problem. Have you bought your ticket?
Yes, I bought it online.
Good. Traffic might be heavy. Let's hurry.
Yeah, I hope we make it on time.
Don't worry. I will drive fast but safe.
Hey, can you help me with my science project?
Sure. What's it about?
It's about renewable energy, but I am stuck on some research.
That sounds interesting. What do you need help with?
I need to find some more examples of solar usage.
I can look up some articles for you.
That would be amazing. Do you know any good website?
Yes, I will send you some links.
Thanks. Also, could you check my reports for mistakes?
Of course, I will review it tonight.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure, it's about 2 blocks from here.
Which way should I go?
Walk straight, then turn right at the traffic lights.
Got it. Is it near any landmark?
Yes, it's right near to the park.
Oh, that's help. How long will it take to walk there?
About 15 minutes if you walk fast.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
Hi, could I get a table for two, please?
Sure. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, that would be great.
Here's your menu. What would you like to order?
Can I have a cheeseburger with fries?
Would you like anything to drink?
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!